What's up guys, it's Steve from Digital Unravels here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get the new Disney filter on TikTok. So to be able to post this filter onto your TikTok profile, you will need to go ahead and get the filter from Snapchat because it originates from Snapchat. So if you don't have Snapchat already, go ahead and download it and then head on to Snapchat. Once you're on Snapchat, you want to go ahead and tap on that emoji icon there at the right hand side of the record button, and then on the bottom right hand corner it says explore. Tap on explore, and then in the search bar all you want to do is type 3D cartoon and just begin typing that, and then it should pop up there as the first result. So you can tap on that and then the filter will be applied, and then you can go ahead and record. And then once you've gone ahead and recorded your video, you want to go ahead and tap the save button, which is located right here, the save button. You can tap on the save button, and then if you have the setting in your Snapchat settings that saves your memories to your camera roll, it should now be in your camera roll. So I can go to my gallery and you can see there's the video right over here. So now we can go ahead and go to TikTok, tap on the plus icon at the bottom in the center, and then just tap on the upload button at the bottom right hand corner. And then you can go ahead and tap on the video and then select it by tapping next. First select it, then tap on next, and you can trim it however you would like. I'll just leave it how it is. Tap on next at the top right when you're done, and then you can go ahead, add your favorite sound, add text and stickers and anything like that. You can do a voiceover if you want. Tap on next when you're done, and then just go through the posting process. Describe your video, add your hashtag, set your settings, and then tap on post at the bottom right. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below so you don't miss any more social media tips and trends. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.